Learning coding online can be an enriching experience, offering flexibility and a vast array of resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Define your goals. Determine why you want to learn coding. Are you looking to pursue a career change, enhance your current skills, or simply explore a new hobby? Choose a programming language. Research and select a programming language based on your goals and interests. Popular options include Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and many more. Find online resources. Explore online platforms that offer coding courses, tutorials, and resources. Some popular options include Code Academy, offers interactive coding courses for various programming languages. Coursera, provides online courses from universities and institutions worldwide. Udemy, offers a wide range of coding courses, often at affordable prices. FreeCodeCamp provides free coding tutorials and projects for web development. YouTube, many coding channels offer tutorials and walkthroughs for beginners. Start with basics. Begin with the fundamentals of programming, such as variables, data types, control structures, and functions. Focus on building a solid understanding of these concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. Practice regularly. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Dedicate regular time to coding exercises, challenges, and projects to reinforce your learning and improve your skills. Work on projects. Apply your knowledge by working on coding projects. Start with small projects and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Building projects will help you gain practical experience and showcase your skills to potential employers. Join online communities. Engage with online coding communities and forums to connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and seek advice. Platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, e.g., r/learn programming, and Discord servers dedicated to coding are excellent resources for getting help and support. Seek feedback. Share your code and projects with others to receive feedback and constructive criticism. Feedback from peers and mentors can help you identify areas for improvement and learn new techniques. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in the coding industry. Follow coding blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and participate in online events to stay informed and continuously expand your knowledge. Be patient and persistent. Learning to code can be challenging at times, but don't get discouraged. Stay patient, keep practicing, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that learning to code is a journey, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Stay curious, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of acquiring new skills and knowledge. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding!